today I'm going to show you guys how to make use of those strips of streamers that are in the little bag that I gave you. They're rainbow colors, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And we're going to make another fun and beautiful and easy windsock, but this time it's going to be a cloud with a hanging rainbow. And so when I normally at preschool, we always do a wind and rain and the color gray as part of our theme through the month, one of our themes. So if we have time, we do this because rainbows are also part of rain. So what you're going to need to do for your child is cut out a white piece of paper or a piece of tag board. And what's going to depend really on whether you use tag board or not is how you're going to do your cotton balls or your cloud, whether you're going to use cotton balls for it, or you can use that cotton batting. I think that's what it's called, the stuffing that's inside pillows for sewing. You can get, if you have a bag of that, that makes nice fluffy white cloud. Or the third thing is if you do a fluffiness with some shaving cream and glue, which we did a melting snowman picture in the winter that was like that. You might remember that was kind of, when it dries, it's puffy. So if you do that, it works better to use some tag board just because of the wetness, and then it stays together better, it doesn't rip up as much, but it probably would work still with white paper if you don't have any tag board, but then just go ahead and cut out a general cloud shape for your child to hang their streamers on and do their cotton balls or their shaving cream mixture to make their cloud, to make it more cloud-like. This is white, but you have some kind of fluffiness on there. And so basically, if you're going to do the shaving cream, you want to do it first and let it dry, and then you're going to have your child hang their streamers down from the cloud in whatever order they want to do. But like I said, we had all red, all 6 colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And then you can put a string on it and hang it up, and it's a beautiful little windsock spring decoration. So obviously, put glue on here if you're using cotton balls, and then they can just fill it up with the cotton batting or the cotton balls. But in order to do the puffiness with the shaving cream and the glue, which is fun, kids do really like to do this. So if you have some shaving cream, this is what I recommend you do. You go 3 turns around, like that. And then you do 3 turns around with a regular Elmer's glue bottle, but squeezing it with 2 hands. So quite a bit is coming out in your 3 turns around, like that. And then they're going to take their hand, so it's a fun sensory activity, and get it right in there and really mix up that shaving cream and that glue. And encourage them to really mix it together, because that's how it becomes the puffiness, the combination of those 2 things together. And then you gotta let this dry. It seems really messy now, but when it dries, it'll dry. It'll be dry to the touch, and it'll be puffy. So it does really work well for a snowman or for a cloud. And that's it. That's a pretty easy, fun, beautiful spring art project. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.